So hi guys, welcome back to another video on AJ5. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys or explaining to you guys how long a ring battery would usually last. I know that online myself have seen a few websites where it says obviously the packaging is broken because I already opened it, but what it says is the battery usually lasts about, so I've seen it somewhere where it says a few weeks, about 3 to 6 weeks, but somewhere I saw it lasts about 4 months, which is not true at all. 100% not true. So this is an extra battery that I got extra. Obviously, I'll leave a link to it in the description down below if you want to get one yourself. I recommend you have 2 batteries if you've got a Ring doorbell. So my doorbell is just outside. Let me just show you guys. So obviously this is the doorbell. There's already a battery inside, so I've got an extra one here. This I got this extra because every time I take it off, because one battery would is not enough, because every time I take it out, I'm also going to explain how long it takes to charge this up. It's not about a few hours, it takes about 10 hours for it to charge fully 100% from about 5%, because what I usually do is so I get a notification saying that the battery is about 29% and then 15%, but I let it go all the way down to about 5 to 10%, and then it takes me about a good minimum 8 hours for me to charge it fully. So yeah, 8 hours for a full 8 to 10 hours for a full 100% charge. And obviously I've got the bit where you take the battery out from the thing, and obviously in this thing you get a cable as well to charge the battery. But yeah guys, let's get straight to the point. So this one battery would last me about, it used to last me a good 3 to 4 weeks. That was about 2-3 months ago, but recently it's only been lasting me just about 2 weeks to 2.5 weeks, maximum average. I'll say 2 weeks to 2.5 weeks one battery lasts. So that's because I may have changed some settings on there. The motion sensor, there's ways to edit it. High motion, this high sensitivity or low sensitivity. I set mine to high, so that may be a reason why the battery is it's taking a bit. The battery life's gone down a little bit. So yeah, so one battery, I would say 2 to 3 weeks. That's the rule. I've tested this up for about a good 6 to 7 months, and to be honest, 2 to 3 weeks is the most I would say that it lasts. It wouldn't last you more than 3 weeks unless you've got your settings very low sensitivity, low the duration of your every time it senses something like a motion or a person detected. Every time, mine, I set my video duration to about 2 minutes. So if you set it to 15 seconds, it will last you maybe about another week or so. But with like the good settings and like the highest alert, it will last you about 2.5 weeks average. And I highly recommend you get another one, because it charges, one battery takes about 10 hours, 8 to 10 hours to charge. So that means if you only have one battery, then it would only last you about, so if this is on charge and you don't have another battery, then your doorbell would not work. You would not detect any motions or anything like that for 10 hours until you get a full charge. That's why I decided to get an extra battery, so that when I charge this one, I can use my other one for about 2.5 weeks, and then this will be full charge, and then I can use you know what I mean. I can alternate between the 2 batteries. So that's one of the reasons why I've got an extra battery. I tried it with only one battery for about 2 to 3 months, but I couldn't be asked to wait for this to charge up and then have no doorbell for about 10 hours, and then it's just a headache. So I thought, they're not that expensive, they're about 19 to 20 pounds each. So I'll leave a description down below if you want to get one for yourself. I highly recommend it. So some people, what they do is wire it in to the electrical wiring without the battery. So then you don't need a battery, you don't need an extra battery. But if your doorbell is not wired in, I would highly recommend you get an extra battery as well, because it saves you a lot of time and effort as well. For £20, not a big deal. can get it. The doorbell costs you about 120, 150 pounds. I got mine with the chime as well, so it cost me about 200 pounds to get the doorbell. But yeah, overall, the whole point of this video was to answer your question, which is how long does it take for the battery? How long does the battery last? I'll say about 2.5 weeks, 2 to 3 weeks, depending with the high sensitivity and or the top security level. 2.5 weeks. And how long does it take to charge up a whole battery from about 5% to 100%? About 8 to 10 hours, but is more on the 10 hours than 8 hours. So I'll say about 9 hours, 9 to 10 hours it will take for a full charge. So yeah, guys, that was today's video. How long does a ring battery last, and how long does it take to charge up to 100%? And obviously, this is the packaging that it comes with. It comes with does it say? Yeah, it comes with a little. No, it doesn't come with this. Sorry, it comes with this and this cable here for the charging cable. That's what it comes with. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for today's video. Hope you liked it. Please leave a like if you like this video and if you found it useful. Comment down below what else you guys want to see. Any videos around the Ring doorbell or any other videos you want to see. Leave a comment down below and I'll try and get that video done for you guys. And yeah, that was pretty much it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe to my channel. Let's try and hit 3,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And yeah, guys, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Take care and peace. So hi guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, as you can tell by the title, I'm going to be explaining you guys